Hi everyone and welcome back. Today's look is a pink version of my 3 cloud eyeshadow look, so if you'd like to find out how to achieve this, then keep on watching. Using my Beauty Bay palette, I'm packing on Make Them Wink in the crease as our transition shade with a small bullet brush, and then I'm taking a fluffier brush to soften the edges. Next, using Sweet Tooth, I'm blending that above the previous shade. Honestly, I'm not quite sure what shade I use here, but it's a darker pink shade than our first shade, and I packed that all over the lid as well, and blending that into our transition. Using this small concealer brush from e.l.f. and a thick concealer, I'm stamping 5 half circles for the puffs of the clouds and making sure to blend the bottom using a clean bullet brush. And then I'm taking a white concealer and using a very thin detailed brush to whiten the tops of the clouds and using the same brush to blend it into the pink. I'm taking Keep It Plutonic from Colourpop and I'm placing the glitter underneath the clouds. And then I'm doing the same also with Hopeless Romantic using various flat brushes and smaller detail brushes. Here is what the finished result looks like after my base and lashes. Please give this a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell to know when I post. Also, all of my social media links will be linked on the end screen alongside other videos of mine. Thank you for watching.